In today's video, I will show you how to add a new number on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you are on the home page, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Next, click on your name at the top of the menu and then click on Phone. Fun fact: WhatsApp allows you to seamlessly transfer your entire chat history and media to a new number, meaning you won't lose your data as long as you use this official migration feature on the same device. From here, click on Next to begin changing your phone number, and take note that changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups, and settings automatically. Now, enter your old phone number and then enter your new phone number in the boxes provided, making sure to include the correct country codes, and click on Next. From here, you can choose to notify your contacts about your new number by toggling the option on, select who you want to share it with, and then click Done. Finally, you just need to verify your phone number, so look out for a 6-digit verification code sent by SMS to your new number, enter it into the app, and confirm to complete the process. And that's it! That's how you add a new number on WhatsApp.